Today we will learn about linear bilateral circuit. So before starting we will see about separate circuit, means linear, what is linear circuit and what is bilateral circuit. So first we will see about linear circuit. What is linear circuit? So in linear circuit the parameter are constant. Okay, now what are the parameter? Parameter may be resistor, inductor or capacitor. Okay, so whatever the value of the voltage and current, or if the value of voltage and current changes, the parameter remain constant. They doesn't affect the property of this resistor, inductor and capacitor. Okay, so this is known as the linear circuit. Linear circuit means the resistor, inductor, capacitor remain constant if the value of voltage or current changes or its magnitude changes, it doesn't affect on this parameter. Okay, so these are the linear circuit. Now what is bilateral circuit? Bilateral circuit means the property are the same in other direction. Now what it means that property are same in other direction? Suppose we take resistor, and this is voltage. Okay, if suppose if I change this voltage from this position to this position, the parameter remain same, means the property of this resistor doesn't change. Okay, but in case of diode, if we see in case of diode, if the voltage changes, the voltage, if I replace this voltage to here, it doesn't conduct, because we know that the diode operate in one direction. Okay, so this is bilateral circuit. What is bilateral circuit? The properties are the same in other direction if the voltage changes from one place to another. Okay, so this is bilateral circuit. Now what is mean by linear bilateral circuit? So combining linear plus bilateral circuit, this will equal to linear bilateral circuit. Okay, means what is the condition in the linear? Resistance, inductance, capacitor are constant, and in bilateral if the voltage changes from one place to another, it doesn't affect the parameter. So same condition apply for the linear bilateral circuit. If the resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected and the value of voltage and current changes, it doesn't affect, and the voltage, and if the voltage also replace from one position to another position, it doesn't affect its property to the different parameter. Okay, so this is a linear bilateral circuit. Always remember that in the superposition theorem we use linear bilateral circuit. Okay, always remember, for the superposition principle, superposition theorem, it is applicable only for the linear bilateral circuit. Okay, so this is the concept of linear bilateral circuit.